So came outside for the next part just because there's more stuff to try and burn. And what I got was 10 reusable lighters that should never go out. So let's go ahead and give these bad boys a try. For $4 for all 10 of them, so I'm sure for $4. Not even a spark. That's good. Good sign. Oh, there we go. Obviously, not the greatest thing in the world. Probably just a piece of junk. I wouldn't spend your $4 and get 10 of them unless you want just sparks. It's supposed to completely light on fire. So overall, just a hunk of junk. Alright, we're back. The Temu plants obviously went so freaking well. I guess you could say they went decent. That I decided, what the heck, let's go to the garden section of Temu and buy as many tools as I possibly can because they were all on sale and I have a problem. Anyways, let's start off with the first tool. I got some pruning shears, or as they call them, just good old garden tools. And they're called top pruning shears, and everything is in Chinese, I assume. I can't really tell. If anybody knows what language that is, that'd be great to know. But they don't look half bad. I got them for $3.59. So we'll see how those work. Packaging is unique. I do like that it's got the really nice Velcro pruners that everybody really likes has the same style where it's the weird spring. They don't look half that. Hey guys, it's Future Mason here. Wanted to sort of interject because I bought 10 items hoping that at least a couple of them were going to be great, and truthfully most of them sucked. They were nothing too crazy. Like, as you can imagine, the pruning shears that I just showed you, guess what? They prune. They work pretty decently for $4 or $3, whatever I paid for them. Nothing crazy. And I was hoping to make this video a little bit more fun just because it is talking about stupid items that you can buy in the gardening section of Temu. And it just didn't work out that way. So we're going to skip over some of the items, but I didn't want to not talk about them. So the next thing I got was this random slingshot that had a compass for some reason. Yeah, it was trash. Like, the first time I shot it, it snapped in half. And then there was this weird sickle thing that looked like a weeder of some sort. It worked. Nothing crazy about it. It worked. Then a magic saw. Nothing magic about it. First time I tried to cut a limb, completely snapped in half. So, sort of useless and not really worth putting in the video. I just want to talk about it. Anyways, I'll choose 3 lucky people to get a chance to choose from one of the random items that we're talking about today. All you gotta do is subscribe and share this video. But besides that, we'll get back to it. Thanks, guys. Alright, next great product is obviously in the gardening section. You're going to often find a LED watch repair magnifier. And as you can tell, this looks like it is absolutely perfect. In fact, I see guys at Rolex, the shop, using these all the time. They swear by them. They say go and get the Temu $3 one and you'll never go wrong, which makes total sense. Thankfully, the main lens is a optic of 8 times and maximum multiplier is 23x, which makes total sense because I'm sure something for $3 is going to have a magnifier of 23x. But these actually don't look half bad. The instructions are not in English, so I don't know how to use it, but I'm sure I can call, once again, one of those Rolex guys up and they'll tell me how to use them. But Hopefully I am looking at the camera because I have no freaking idea where I'm looking. Yeah, can't see the camera one bit. And right now, I can see my hand. And obviously, when you're working on gardening, you need to be this close to the plant to be able to see whether there's insects or not. That hurts my eyes. And I have no idea how to magnify this. But trust me, oh. Huh. I don't think that's supposed to happen. I mean, it's high quality, so I believe in it. Now, cool thing is, obviously I can't see. Whoa, brighter than, oh, you can adjust them. That makes sense. There you go. Obviously this will help me see. No, still can't see anything. Totally worth the $3. Alright, this next product I'm extremely excited for because I thought I'd have to spend several $100s to get what's in this box. And instead, for $15.93, you heard me right, not $59.93, you can get a handheld chainsaw also. Now, I haven't looked at the actual chainsaw, but I went ahead and charged the battery. So we're gonna see what all is in here live. Obviously a battery and charger. Ooh. Safety glasses. I mean, good pair of Remington hunting glasses cost more than $15.93, so you get a chainsaw with this. I thought they were safety gloves, the ones that you wear when you chainsaw, but no, they're just wool. Yeah, nothing fancy. I mean, okay, thanks. I'm gonna assume this is some sort of guard. And the chainsaw. Oh yeah. I forgot the name. And I have a feeling that Mike Tyson helped make this one. Because it is the saw. Or I guess it's just the saw. Either way, it's the saw. Mini chainsaw. Yeah, mini chainsaw, just chainsaw separated. Anyways, it's got the guard on it. Ooh, look at that. That's right, we're rocking with 6 inches. It's got the name on it. Blades actually don't look that bad. Let's tighten him down before I turn it on. It's got a safety, which doesn't seem to work. That's all right. All right, 20-volt lithium battery. So this is way better than Milwaukee, DeWalt. You're wasting your time. Okay, that was actually a lot better than I expected. You can see it's actually cranking. I'm sure this isn't gonna last long, but hey, that's not bad for $15.93. Let's go give it a try. All right, this peach tree has been dead for quite a while. It did produce peaches for us last year, but then it completely died back. So I went ahead and trimmed off at the top using the chainsaw, and we tried to graft on a bunch of trees. None of them took, so this thing just, it needs to go. We're gonna test out the saw on it, good old 6-incher, see how it goes, and I'm sure it'll make it all the way through before this battery dies. Before we do that, actually, I need to go get our safety glasses that came with it. All right, Got the safety glasses. Let's cut this bad boy. Good thing about the safety glasses is you cannot tell whatsoever where you're cutting or if it's working. So it's going to be as big of a surprise for me as it is for y'all who just watched it. It's not actually doing that bad. Now, it did kick sawdust all over me because I didn't think about that. But best thing about the saw is that the lock stuck and just stayed wide open while I was cutting. So thankfully I got that unstuck and it worked perfectly fine. But yeah, overall we'll do the safety squint on this one. I mean, shoot, for $15.93 you can do a hell of a lot worse. That's pretty good. That's impressive. Yeah, overall this is the only thing that has impressed me in this whole haul. Magic saw didn't do nothing. Magnifying glasses, whatever, didn't work too fantastic. But the saw, the 6-incher, she's worth it. She'll do. $15.93. But yeah, if you guys liked today's video, please go ahead, like, subscribe, do whatever you need to do so that my count goes up. You know how it works. You've seen everybody talk about it. But yeah, besides that, y'all have a great day.